Hello guys, welcome to the studio. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new MPC 2.12 firmware upgrade that just came out. Like I always tell you, it's not all the upgrades that you need to just go and jump on immediately it comes out, just to be sure it doesn't ruin anything you're currently having that is going on good for you as far as your MPC is concerned. Majority of these updates, anytime they come out, watch out for maybe like any new device that came up around that time. Probably that is what that particular update is meant for. Might not necessarily be for your own device or to solve any problems that you're having, but then you go ahead, jump on it, and then it glitches on yours and then works fine on others. As far as you have your current firmware working well, I don't think there's any need for you to go ahead and jump on any updates. I always say that. And for those people who should be able to do that, or who are allowed to do that, are those people who review, maybe like us, Malodix and co, that can actually, Bolo, that can actually just test it and tell you if it's, what that upgrade. Let those guys be your sacrificial lamb. Do you get? And that's why we're here. Anyways, the new firmware 2.12. What is the new feature? Normally what I do is I give you the new firmware update and I list all the features for you. But this time around, I went to the release note and I had to search for the release note, and I realized there is nothing is fixed in the new MPC 2.12. The only new feature they put there is the fact that MPC now supports MPC 1+, which means any update that is done in there is basically to have it support the MPC 1+. Recall in our previous video, we talked about the MPC 1+. The link should be somewhere over there. Yeah. And if you want to know anything or more about it, you can just click on it right away. The bottom line is, this particular MPC 2.12 firmware upgrade or update is not solving any of your current problem that you're having. The only thing it does is it's just strictly, and I think solely, for the MPC 1+ that just came out. Remember when MPC Key 61 came out? That was about the time you had one of your biggest switch in the history of the MPC software. I think that was actually when MPC 2.11 came out, and I think so. I believe so. Yeah, I think so. Yes, that was when MPC 2.11 came out, and then like basically made tailored towards making sure the key works fine and all that. But then, like I said, if it's not broken, don't attempt to fix it. If your MPC is working fine, just leave it as it is, and you might not need to bother yourself about updating or thinking to solve any issue or any glitch you're having right about now. It is just what it is. It's for the new MPC 1+. Yeah. Anyways, that'll be all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also, drop your thoughts in the comment section below, and we'll definitely get back to you on what we think about it. See you in the next one.